What's up, everybody? Alright, so today it looks like we got a free NoiseWorks Transplit Transient Shaper. From what I gather, this is good for removing trails of highs or rumbling lows that muddy up your mix. See what they say about it. Well, it doesn't sound like they're going to say anything at all. But yeah, it's definitely working. It's really simple. That sounds good. I mean, I can see that being useful too. Cymbals can muddy up a mix really fast. And if you applied this to like something with a lot of bass, you'd probably be able to cut those rumbles as well. I like it. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh my gosh, Decent Sampler. I don't know how I haven't heard of Decent Sampler. Decent Sampler is freaking awesome. Check this out. Tons of free shit in Decent Sampler. Like if you go here and you sort by lowest to highest, yeah, all this shit is free. Everything, and it all sounds awesome. Like I downloaded this one. Give me my MIDI controller. I'm not a piano player. We got the kalimba. I don't know what that is. But anyways, and it's super simple. So like if we go here to analog waveform DS, I have no idea what that is. Let's throw that in there. Download it. Give it to me. Nice. Choose a preset. Let's. Oh shit. I don't know, dude. Too many choices. A beautiful pulse. That's what we're gonna go with. I love it. I'm in love with it. I think I'm just gonna make a whole video just going through all the presets or the free samples in that sampler because it's fantastic. Go just search Google for Decent Sampler and you'll find it. Oh yeah, the church bells. That's what was released on Decent Sampler, and I actually got those too. Hold on, I want to show you those because those are badass. These are loud as fuck though. You gotta be careful. I love it. Anyways, Reddit forums, let's see what we got. Nothing's free. I don't think we have anything free here, but Production Music Live Monument, Sound Pack, Synth Leads, whatever, Wrath Sound, Cityscape Pro, Bruitage, Playable Distortion, featuring 6 hand-tuned algorithms, dual parallel chords. I love a good distortion. Let's check it out. Give me a YouTube video or something. I don't know what that is. Come on, you gotta have a video. Seriously? Oh, here we go. All right. I just like distortion in general. I really don't. It all sounds good. I don't even know where. I don't care where it comes from. That sounds pretty cool though. Funky. This could probably sound really good on a synth though, or a soft synth too. Soft synth or hardware synth, it doesn't matter. Yeah, they should have demoed this on a synth. Distortion that reacts in real time. Not a static effect, but one that listens to your playing. It listens to you and automatically shapes dynamics, gestures, and velocity. That sounds good. I don't really know if that's the distortion that sounds good. It's just got drenched in reverb. Okay, I've had enough of this, but like I said, I do love me a good distortion. Kick Shaper, Kick Designer plugin. Cool. I kind of enjoy sitting there and like perfectly sculpting a kick. Addictive drums, 40% off. Orchestra Tools, Soft Tube, Tube Tech, Complete Collection, $289. Ultimate Contact Bundle. What? 80% discount. That's not. Oh, libraries by. I was like, the Ultimate Contact Bundle is 80% off? Damn. But no, that's 80% off Triple Spiral Audio's Ultimate Contact Bundle libraries. That's about it. That's about it for that. Let's see what's going on in the news. Stuff from Soundbox. I have Soundbox. I love Soundbox. I think Soundbox sounds fantastic. I don't think I've ever downloaded a library. I'm just using the stuff that was free that came with it. Modern Afrofusion, Beatmaker Kaya. Instrument is powered by the Beatmaker 3 platform. Okay, I'm not familiar with Beatmaker. Synthmaster 3 player and free player? What is that? Stripped down version of the Synthmaster 3. When manufacturers drop free plugins, but they're the light version, it's like I don't know. I like free stuff, but I don't want it to be watered down stuff that's going to make me want to buy expensive stuff. Let's try that. All right. Synthmaster 3 player comes with 4,450 factory presets. Jesus Christ. So you have to pay for it to get the presets. Fuck all that. I thought it came with it. I mean, I'm sure it's worth it. I'm not paying for anything right now. I'm broke. Okay. I've had enough of this. Psychoacoustics Labs Duo Pan. No, $39. What is it though? Psychoacoustic Panner plugin designed to bring natural spatial width and depth to your mixes. Nice. Orchestral Tools, Novation Launch Control XL MK3 review. Man, I want one of these. I have a launch control though, and it works for me, so I can't justify paying for this, but man, it looks really nice. Cherry Audio releases Trident Mark III synth plugin. Damn. I'm not even going to begin to dive into that, but it looks badass. Looks like it would make a lot of sounds. Let's hear it. Sounds sick. Cool. That sounds great. An entire syntronic ensemble at your fingertips. I dig it. I like it. 69 bucks. Seems like it's probably worth it. Ooh, we can get it through today. 30-day free trial. Yes, please. I'll probably try that out. Last one. Native Instruments announces new tractor controller. The Tractor MX2. I don't own anything tractor related. I've been intrigued by it. I'm not a DJ though. I don't care. But I see like the controllers and like all this cool shit that they come out with, and I wonder how I can implement it into my own like setup. I just want to use them as like MIDI controllers. Like I feel like as a MIDI controller, you could just do some really cool shit with that. That's what I want to use it for, not even what its intended purpose is. So I can't justify paying the money to experiment like that, but goddamn, it's almost $500. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys take it easy.